Hey guys, we're back again with another very short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix or troubleshoot when our second monitor is not detecting in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So if you have already tried so many ways, you have already checked the plug, and yet there are still issues, or you can still detect the second monitor that you have, then might as well follow the few simple steps that I'm going to show you. So we will begin with opening the settings, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in the Windows icon, and then if you click on settings, you will open the settings window. Or if you just make a tap here in the Windows icon, you will also see this settings option. So please click on that. And then once you do that, you will be able to see here in the left pane the system options. So please click on system, and then we will have the display options, the very first option that is display. So we have the monitor's brightness, night light, and display profiles. If you click on that, you will see brightness and color section, the scale and layout. So we will be going with the scale and layout section. All we need to do is just to go to the multiple displays option. We have here choose the presentation mode for your display. So once you click on this one, you will see these two options here. Remember, window locations based on monitor connection. Please make sure that this is checked or selected, and minimize windows when a monitor is disconnected. So please also see or check that this is selected. Once you're done with this one, proceed with detect other display. So you can click on this detect button here, and then if it says that we didn't find another display, then we will be making another ways or solutions for that. And if you have also a monitor that the screencast is enabled, and yet once you click on display it's not still detected, then you can click also this connect button here for connect to a wireless display, and then it will look for the available displays for the uh, second monitor. So once you found here that the second monitor is available, just click on that, and then if it says that no displays are available, we will be able to do another step or another ways to solve that. So just close this window, and then we will open the device manager. So please make a right click again here in the Windows icon, and then we will go with device manager options. So once this device manager window is open, let me just expand this one. We will go to display adapters. You will see this arrow before it. Please click on that, and then you will expand the display adapters. You will see now the graphics card that you are using. So all we need to do is just to update this one. So please make a right click on properties, and then we will see first the driver date, whether it's latest or not. So please click on driver. So we have here the 2021 driver date. So all we need to do is just to click this update driver, and then we will be asked on how do we want to search for drivers. So please click first the search automatically for drivers option. Once you do that and it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, we can go back, and then we will have the browse my computer for drivers. Once you click on that, we have this option that says let me pick from a list of available drivers. So if you click on that, you will see all the model versions of your drivers in the graphics card. So all we need to do is just to try one by one. Try each and every one of these drivers here, and then after each trial, just click on next, and after it has been installed in your device, just make a quick restart with your device and see if it helps, if it's working. Okay, and if it's still not working, you can go back to this window and then try another adapter or try another driver and see if whichever of the driver is working. Once you're done with this one, you can close this. And if it's still not working, you can also have the online download. Just make sure that you have remembered the graphics card that you are using. As for mine, I am using AMD. So we will be searching in the internet what is or the auto detect for our graphics card that we are using. So if you're using Intel, you can also search for it. NVIDIA, you can also search for it. So let me just open a browser here, and then in the search tab, we will be looking for Since I am using AMD, I will be searching first AMD auto detect. Auto detect. So once you click on that, I'm sorry, I'm still not connected. So let me just connect with my public network. So here, once you search for the AMD auto detect, let me just connect quickly. Okay, so let me just continue where we have. Okay, so here we have now the auto detect and install AMD Radeon graphics and Ryzen. So please make sure that you click on the manufacturer website itself, and once you do that, you will have the auto detect and install AMD Radeon. So we have the options here to detect the, you just click to how to get drivers using this AMD driver auto detect tool. You just have to click on the link here. You just have to read this article, and then you can add a new tab, and here we need to type Intel auto detect. We can also do that with all the other graphics card. So we have your Intel driver and support assistant, and for the NVIDIA, you can also do that here if you search it here. Okay, so once you're done with this one and install the downloads or install the updates from the manufacturer website itself, once you try to connect again your second monitor, I'm sure that it will work. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.